and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a rather large Zara haul. Sorry if you can hear some noises, that's the dog wandering around here on the floor. Hopefully he will settle on the floor and go to sleep soon. But yeah, it is a Zara haul. But I've probably done about 3/4 orders throughout this time that we've been in like the lockdown thing here in the UK, and I just thought that I just wanted to put it all together because I had one come through yesterday and that was probably one of the larger orders out of the few, but I just thought, yeah, I'd put it all together and show you what I had got over a few weeks. So I'm really loving Zara at the moment. Like, I think they're doing good, and I'm slowly getting used to their weird website of how to find stuff that doesn't look strange on the models. But yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm going to try everything on as usual. I'll let you know how much it was and the size and stuff that I got things in as well. Yeah, let's just show you. Oh look, he's come onto the bed now. Okay, so first thing is first, this was from one of the first orders that I did, and it was to get this white bodysuit. Everybody raves about the Zara bodysuits. I do have the black one already, and I thought, do you know what, I think I need the white. Got this in a size medium, and it was $12.99. As you can see, I haven't worn it yet, but I've got big plans for it. Yeah, $12.99, really lovely quality. It's like a stretchy, like satiny, silky. I'm rubbish with describing stuff, but it's very soft, it's very comfortable, it's quite seamless. Like if you wear it with shorts and stuff, I don't tend to get like the fabric, you know, like crinkling anywhere. And they're just such a lovely fit, and they just go with so much, don't they? And then along with this, in the same order, I actually got myself a pair of denim shorts. Now, these are the shorts. They have been worn, so do excuse that they're, you know, pulled up a bit here. But these were $17.99, I believe, which personally, for a pair of denim shorts, I think is really good. They're quite a short, but you know, they cover pretty much everything they need to. They are mega comfortable. I did actually get these in a size 12 because they didn't have the 10 in stock when I ordered them, but I love them so much. I was like, oh, I'll just try the 12. And to be honest, I'm quite glad I did, because it just means they're that bit extra roomy, and so they're really comfortable. You know, I can actually sit down, I can eat in them, and yeah, they're just so lovely. And yeah, like for $17.99, I think that's really good. Okay, next is something that literally only turned up the other day. However, well, let me show you first and then I'll explain the story. It is this gorgeous satin, like almost like creamy pink with black polka dots. It looks quite white in camera, but it's almost like a goldy, creamy, pinky colour. And it's so sweet. It's got ruching on the sides. This was $15.99, and I did get this in a size large because in the parcel before I'd ordered it in a medium and it just didn't fit quite how I wanted it to fit. I wanted to be able to sort of like tuck it into shorts and stuff, which I couldn't really do with the other one, so I just ordered the size up. So I'm hoping this one will fit better. But yeah, just really lovely soft material. Again, it's the kind of top that you can definitely dress up, I would say, but you can also wear it like really casually, like I said, with like a pair of shorts or just some jeans or something. Okay, another top is this beautiful white crop top with like individual flowers on it. Hopefully the camera is picking them up, I think it is. So they're on the front, and then it is just elasticated on the back. So I ordered this in a size large, and I'm thinking that I'm going to have to order it in medium. I haven't tried it on yet, so I could be wrong, but it does look rather big for what I was kind of expecting it to be, because I was basically expecting it to be like the front material the whole way around, like, you know, where there's no stretch, but because it's got the elastic in the back and it's very giving, I might need it in the size down. So it's got a zip on the side to help you get it on comfortably as well, which is amazing, because there's nothing worse than when you're putting some tops on and like they're a struggle. Well, I don't know if anyone else gets this, but sometimes I struggle to get them over my shoulders, and I think, oh, they don't fit. But once they're over, they're fine. It's just a struggle to get it on. So a zip on the side is amazing. I haven't said the price of this. The only thing is, this one was $25.99, which for a white crop top is quite expensive. But it feels really, really nice quality, and it's pretty, you know, it's a bit more exciting than your classic white crop top. Okay, next is another pair of denim shorts. These are the mum shorts from Zara, and these ones are $19.99, and I got these in a size 10. They're like a really, you know, thick denim. There's not much give in them, so hopefully they fit okay. Yeah, there's not much give in them, but they're really, really good quality. And again, for £20, I think that's really good for a pair of shorts, personally. You may disagree, but I personally think £20 is really good for a pair of shorts. They just look like they're going to fit really, really nicely around the waist. And then obviously because they're a mum short, they're a bit longer as well, so a bit more sophisticated. And yeah, perfect for the kind of days where it's warm but it's not boiling hot, so you want to, you know, be a little bit warmer around there. Because the denim's so thick, it will probably keep you warmer. But yeah, I just think these look lovely, and they're such a lovely denim colour as well. This is like my perfect shade of denim, I would say. And then yeah, there's a button that just does up, and then a zip, which does down low, so hopefully, you know, it'll go over like my legs and stuff. Okay, right, okay. Another thing that turned up in a previous parcel, but this one, to be fair, was only like a few days ago, but I was just saving it for the haul, and I haven't actually tried this on yet, but it's this t-shirt here that says expectation versus reality, and it's like half cat, half tiger. This was $5.99, and I got this in a size medium. Maybe it's not quite as big as I was hoping it to be. I was hoping it to be a bit more baggy, but I don't know, it might look alright when I try it on. But yeah, just a classic basic top really, and for $5.99 I think that's really decent, and it feels lovely quality. And I got that just to sort of pair with like denim shorts, denim jeans, whatever. Just thinking it would look quite nice. Right, so this is probably one of my riskier purchases. It's a pair of jeans. I've only ever had one pair of jeans from Zara before, and to be fair, they don't fit me that great. They are a skinny jean, whereas this here that I picked up is a mum jean. So hopefully these will fit nice. These were $25.99, and I did get these in a size 12. Because they're a mum jean, there's not really much stretch to the denim, and I quite often struggle with denim like on my thighs and stuff, so I got them in a size 12. And again, because like I said, I haven't really ordered much denim, and especially in jeans from Zara, so I thought it's best to play safe and go for a size up. But they're this beautiful, lovely blue denim colour, and I've just rolled them up ready at the bottom because that's how I wear my mum jeans. I just think otherwise I'll try them on, they won't be rolled up, and I'll just think they look horrible, so I've pre-rolled them ready. But yeah, I just think these are really nice, slightly distressed at the top, but I don't know whether that's meant to be like that, I don't know. And then just the brown Zara label on the back as well. Yeah, hopefully these will look good, because the reason I actually got these is because they're quite similar to a pair of mum jeans I had from Topshop. Now, I had an incident with those the other day where the leg just split all down the seam. So one leg is fine and the other leg is just open. I'm not quite sure how it happened, but I mean, I've had them for a couple of years, at least 2. So maybe it's just wear and tear. They've probably had a lot of wear out of them. Right, next is another top. I've already worn this, however I've just seen that it still actually has the thing that the label attaches onto. But it's this black halter neck top. This was $5.99 and I got this in size medium. Like this because it isn't cropped, meaning with certain jeans, you know, I can wear it and it tucks in really nicely, because it's like a silky, stretchy material like the bodysuits. It just sort of sits really nicely on the body, you know, tucks in lovely. But yeah, I think this is something you can't really go wrong. Just a black basic top, perfect for the summer, goes with everything. Again, if you wanted to, you could probably like layer some necklaces and stuff and dress it up if that's like your kind of style. Or, you know, you can just wear it basic with a pair of like denim jeans, denim shorts, whatever. Yeah, I can't really go wrong. 2 more tops, I promise. Another black top. This is a black t-shirt with like frilly kind of like half sleeve type things. I got this in a medium, and this was also $5.99, so again really good price for a basic. Just thought this would look really nice tucked into blue shorts and stuff, and instead of it just being a boring black t-shirt, it's got the frilly sleeves, you know, to jazz it up a little bit. Yeah, I just thought that that would look a bit nicer than, yeah, a plain black top really, even though it is a plain black top. But yeah, like I said, $5.99 again, which is really, really good price for Zara, I think. And yeah, hopefully that will look nice. Okay, so this is my final top, and the penultimate thing actually. Hopefully I've got through this quite quickly. It's just another t-shirt, but this time it's got Disney print on the front. I just thought the colours on it was so cute, and it's just like this very washed grey black colour. I just thought it would look nice again, tucked into denim, black or blue this time I think. This was $15.99, and I got this in a medium, so it looks like nice and baggy, so you know, just wear it like comfortable. Yeah, I just thought this was really, really sweet. They had quite a few like Disney pieces actually on there, but this was personally my favourite of the t-shirt selection. Okay, my final item is something quite out of my comfort zone, and you may think when I first show them that they're just an ordinary pair of jeans, but these are actually the Zara balloon jeans, I believe they're called. Again, it's going to be quite hard to show them on camera to you. Let me just do the zip up so you can get the full look. So they're basically like a bigger mum jean in the legs. I did actually wear these yesterday. They literally arrived, what day are we on now? Friday. I lie. These came Wednesday, but I did wear these yesterday, just to, you know, like double check that I was going to wear them, and I just love them. I got these in a size 10, and these are actually in the sale, I believe. They were £13, which is half the reason I bought them, because £13 for a pair of jeans, I mean, come on, you can't say no. I've rolled them up at the bottom, because again, I'm quite short, and they're supposed to kind of be like a, I think like a culotte length, so you know, they're quite a bit above the ankle. And I got these because I thought they would be perfect for those summer days where you want to wear a pair of jeans, but it's still a bit too warm to actually wear like a full length pair of jeans, basically. And yeah, do you know what? They did the perfect job yesterday in yesterday's weather. But yeah, the only thing I would say, you can see it when I try them on, I think they fit lovely at the front, look lovely, but the back is like really high at the back, but they're extremely high-waisted, but personally the front bit like flatters me quite well, but the back isn't great. And yeah, but they are something different for me. I've never owned a pair of jeans like, because they're really baggy on the legs, but hopefully in the try on you guys like them, because I do. But yeah, so that is everything that I got from Zara. Hopefully if you've come across this looking, because I'm always looking for Zara hauls on YouTube, and I feel like they're not quite as, what's the word, there's not as many of them compared to things like a Topshop haul or an ASOS haul really, but hopefully some of the stuff in here you can see that you don't need to be afraid of the Zara website, because I certainly was, because I mean this stuff I feel like is not the easiest to find when you first go looking on it, because it just comes up with the models in all like weird positions, showing stuff really weird, and I just don't love it. But hopefully looking through, you know, some bits in this haul, maybe it will prompt you to go and have a look. I'll link everything below if it's all in stock. It should be, because these are all relatively recent purchases within the last few weeks really. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry that it's another haul, but that's just what I like to film. And obviously I have a bit of an obsession with buying clothes, but that's fine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!